Hi children, welcome to grade 8 math class. Chapter 1 Rational Numbers Part 1. After this class, you will be able to understand rational numbers and properties of rational numbers. Before we move to our lesson, first we have to recall numbers. First is natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3. It will continue infinite. The numbers which we use to count are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers as well. Next is whole numbers. Including 0 with natural numbers, we can call whole numbers. These numbers also infinite. Next is integers. That is positive integers and negative integers also there. 0 including 0, 0, 1, 2 etc. and negative 1, negative 2 etc. Infinite. This also it will continue endless only. Infinite. So natural numbers are counting numbers. Then including 0 with natural numbers, that is whole numbers. Then integers. Positive and negative integers also there with 0. And the next is, in this simple equation, 2x plus 9 is equal to 10. What is the value of x? 2x is equal to 10 minus 9. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Here, this is not a natural number. This is not a whole number and this is not an integer. So the numbers which can be written in the form a by b, where a and b are integers. Here 1 is an integer, 2 also an integer. This is in the form a by b and b not equal to 0. Denominator is 2. So these type of numbers are called rational numbers. These type of numbers are called rational numbers. So the numbers which can be written in the form a by b, where a and b are integers and b not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. And all the integers are rational numbers. That is integers 0, 1, 2 etc. and negative 1, negative 2 etc. This 1 is a rational number. We can written in the form 1 by 1. That is a by b form. 0 by 1. Negative 10 by 1. So integers also a rational number. Next is properties of rational numbers. First property, closure property. The sum of two rational numbers is again a rational number. Whether the statement is true or false, we have to check. So a is equal to 2 by 3, b is equal to 4 by 3. Now a plus b we can find. A plus b is equal to 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. That is 2 plus 4 by 3. 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. That is 2 means 2 by 1. This is a rational number. So a is a rational number, b also a rational number. So the sum of these two also a rational number. So that we can say rational numbers are closed under addition. Rational numbers are closed under addition. Now subtraction. A minus b, that also we can check whether the subtraction is possible for rational numbers. Subtraction is possible. We have to check when a and b are rational numbers, then a minus b is also a rational number, then it is closed under subtraction. So a minus b we can check. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. 3 upon 2 minus 4. It is minus 2 by 3. Yes, that is minus 2 by 3 is also a rational number. So, subtraction of rational numbers are closed. Rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Now, division. A is equal to 2 by 3, B is equal to 4 by 3. Then A divided by B. That is 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 3. 2 by 3, how we can divide? We have to multiply with the reciprocal of the second number. Second rational number is 4 by 3. So 3 by 4. 3 we can cut. 2 also cut. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That is A is a rational number. B is also a rational number. A divided by is also a rational number. But division by 0 is not possible. Division by 0 is a meaningless only. So in this case, division is not possible. So except 0, rest all numbers we can divide. We will get another rational number. But division by 0 is meaningless. So that division by 0 is meaningless. So that we can say the rational numbers are not closed under division. Rational numbers are not closed under division. Except 0, the rational numbers are closed under division. Now, multiplication. You can check multiplication, whether it is true or not. A into B is also a rational number that we can check now. A into B, 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. 2 into 4 by 9. 8 by 9. So A is a rational number, B is also a rational number, then A into B is also a rational number. So rational numbers are closed under multiplication. In conclusion, closure property, rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. Except 0, rational numbers are closed under division also. Hope you understood. Next is commutative property. Commutativity also we can say. Commutative property. Commutative property. If A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Let me check whether it is correct or not. A is equal to 2 by 3. B is equal to 5 by 3. Then A plus B. A plus B, LHS 2 plus 3 plus 5 by 3. That is 3 upon 2 plus 5. Denominator is 3. Numerator is 7. 7 by 3. Then B plus A I am going to do. B plus B is equal to any order we can add rational numbers. 5 by 3 plus 2 by 3. That is 3 upon 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 by 3. That is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Which means rational numbers are commutative over addition. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Let us check subtraction is commutative or not. First we have to find A minus B. A is 2 by 3, B is equal to 4 by 3. This A minus B is equal to 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. That is 3 upon 2 minus 4 minus 2 by 3. A minus B is minus 2 by 3. Now, B minus A, 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 4 minus 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3. That is A minus B is minus 2 by 3 and B minus A is 2 by 3. So A minus B not equal to B minus A. So rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So rational numbers are not closed under, not commutative under subtraction. Next is multiplication. Next we have to check multiplication is commutative or not. A into B. First we have to find A into B. That is 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 3, 9. Now B into A. B is 4 by 3 into A is 2 by 3. It is 8 by 9. That is A into B is equal to B into A. So that multiplication are commutative. Rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Now, division. Let us check division is commutative or not. That is A divided by B. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into, we have to take reciprocal of the second rational number and then multiply. 3 by 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 4 is 12. Have to simplify. 6 2's are 12. 1 by 2. Then B divided by A. 4 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 3 into 3 by 2. It is equal to 12 by 6. 6 12's are 6 2's are 12. So A divided by B is 1 by 2 and B divided by A is 2. This A divided by B not equal to B divided by A. So division is not commutative. For rational numbers, division is not commutative. So in commutative property, addition are commutative, multiplication also commutative, but in division is not commutative and subtraction also not commutative. Next is associative property. Associative property. Associativity also we can say associative. A is equal to 2 by 3, B is equal to 4 by 3, then C is equal to 1 by 3. 3 rational numbers. For 3 rational numbers, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. We have to check addition is associative or not. A plus B plus C, that is A plus 2 by 3 plus bracket 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Bracket first. First you have to do the bracket. This 4 plus 1, 5 by 3. So it's a very simple one only, that's why directly I wrote. 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 2 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. 2 plus 5 divided by 3. Now this side This side is a plus b plus c. That is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Is 2 plus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7 and down upon 3. So a plus b plus c is equal to 3 by 7 and a plus b plus c also 7 by 3. Not 3 by 7, 7 by 3. A plus b plus c is 7 by 3 and a plus b plus c also 7 by 3. So rational numbers are associative under addition. Rational numbers are associative under addition. That means a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, where a, b and c are three different rational numbers. Okay, three rational numbers. Next is subtraction. We have to check a minus b minus c. First we have to find. A is 2 by 3 minus b minus c. 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. It is 2 by 3 minus 3 upon 4 minus 1. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3. This a minus b minus c is minus 1 by 3. Now a minus b minus c is minus 1 by 3. Now a minus b minus c we can find. A minus b, that is 2 minus 3 minus 4 by 3, then minus c. First bracket, that is 2 minus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. That is minus 2 minus 1 by 3. That is minus 3 by 3. Minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Answer is equal to minus 1. That means a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c, because a minus b minus c is minus 1 by 3 and a minus b minus c is minus 1. So that we can say rational numbers are not associative for under subtraction. Now we can check whether the rational numbers are associative for multiplication. That is a into b into c. First we have to find a into b into c. That is 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. 2 by 3 into 4 into 1, 4. 3 into 3, 9. That 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 9, 27. That is a into b into c, 8 by 27. Now we can find a into b into c. A into b, that is 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. First you have to find the bracket. 2 into 4 is 8, 3 into 3 is 9 into 1 by 3. That is 8 into 1, 8, 9 into 3, 27. So a into b into c is 8 by 27 and a into b into c is also 8 by 27. So rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Next, division is associative or not? We have to check now. Is A divided by B divided by C. You have to find first. A divided by B divided by C. A is 2 by 3 divided by B is 4 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. Bracket first. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 3 into 3 by 1. Have to take reciprocal of the second rational number and then multiply. That is 2 by 3 divided by 12 by 3. That is 2 by 3 into 3 by 12. So we can cut 3 and 3. 2 and 12 also we can cut. So 1 by 6 is the answer here. Then next one, A divided by B divided by C. This A divided by B means 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. Take reciprocal and then multiply. 3 by 4. Then divided by 1 by 3. 6 by 12. Then you can take reciprocal of the second one. 3 by 1. So 3 and 12 we can cut. That is 6 by 4. Again we have to simplify. This 3 by 2. So A divided B divided by C is 1 by 6 and A divided by B divided by C is 3 by 2. So rational numbers are not associative over division. Rational numbers are not associative over division. Distributive property. First one, multiplication over addition. And second one is multiplication over subtraction. If A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is multiplication over addition. Next is A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. This is multiplication over subtraction. So children, you have to check A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. You can put any three rational numbers in the value A, B and C. Then you can check. Then this also A into B minus C. You have to check at home whether it is equal or not. That is LHS equal to RHS. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC and A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC you will get. Okay, hope you all understood the lesson. We will continue in the next class. So all of you practice well. Thank you children.